In 2021, in the US alone, 40 million tons of plastic were produced. Only 5% of that was recycled, while the rest sits stiffly in a landfill or an ocean. But there is no need to throw our plastics away when they can be remade infinitely. And here at Highwood, that's what we're all about. Our headquarter facility is 100% dedicated to lumber production through recycling. Each day, we create about 1,500 pounds of sawdust. In our plant, that sawdust and all other rejected material is reused. The NGR, or New Generation Recycling Machine, is where the magic begins. First, material is grinded down to be as fine as possible. Then, it's loaded onto a conveyor where the NGR melts it down and removes any impurities. The molten plastic is then remade into plastic pellets, which are sent through a series of silos to be organized by color and then sent to the extrusion line. At the extrusion line, the organized pellets are extruded into high-quality Highwood lumber. Of course, we strive to be zero waste. So if any hiccups occur along the way, that plastic could once again be recycled to form the same high-quality Highwood lumber. Instead of letting plastics build up in a landfill, we turn it into beautiful outdoor furniture, fit for any space. Happy Recycle Day, folks, and remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Highwood, USA.